Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Valve 29 error. Here are a few steps you can take to fix it. And here's the first one. You go to search, type in run. And in run, you type in this, services.msc. Once you open this, click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard, and open this VGC. And if this is set to manual, you have to switch it to automatic, and then click start, let it load. If it doesn't load like for the first time, just go to search, type in control panel, and once you're here, you want to click on this large icons. You want to switch it from category to like large icons, and then find Windows Defender Firewall. In here, click on this, allow an app or feature through firewall. Click on this, change settings, click allow another app, click browse. You want to go to local disk C, find Riot Games. First, click on Riot Client, and then you want to add Riot Client to the list. Click add. I already have it, but for you to add it. And you want to go back to this, browse again, Riot Games, Valorant, Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, Windows 64, and then this, Valorant Windows 64 shipping, and you want to click on it and then add it. I have this also, but for you it will add it. As you can see, it's here, and you want to make sure it's ticked for both public and private, these ticks. And you want to do the same for Riot Client. As you can see, it's up for both. And the last thing you want to do is right click on Windows button, go to settings, go to Internet and Network, advanced network settings. Find this network reset, and you want to click on this, and then you want to, when you reset it, you want to restart your PC, and then your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Valve 29. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.